Alright guys, we are about to race this big turbo 600 plus horsepower Supra fast. He's in the sixes with the 1717 Typhon. This thing is on Radials. These tires are huge, but we got all-wheel drive. So here we go. Alright guys, motor toys. We ran a big turbo, full bolt-on tuned Supra. He ran I think a 7 or a 7.1, and we ran a 5.4 at 96. Solid pass. We got to make some wing adjustments, a little too much downforce, but it gripped. We just asked a ZX10 to race right over here. He said, "You're not getting me with that," so I guess he already saw us run. We're gonna see if we can get one more pass, maybe on 4S.